Hey guys, welcome back to the Bronx. My name is Andrew, and this is Inventory, our cooking show by Seminarians, where it's, once again, as always, 8 o'clock at night, and we are all in the kitchen. We got Sean munching away on some popcorn over there. We got Son cutting some apples to make an apple cake. Cody's doing some prep for some blueberry scones we're gonna make. Come with us as we make a cake and some scones. This is episode 4. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna work the butter into here. That needs to. BJ's butter is probably the best butter that I've used so far. We don't have Kerrygold butter money, so you're gonna go in with 12 tablespoons. So for my purposes, as I'm making this, I am doubling this recipe because I am freezing half. You're gonna cube up your butter into small pieces, and you're gonna work it into your dough. How did you measure this flour? How did you measure this flour?
Like a measuring thing?
No. All right, how did you measure it?
The cups? What are you talking about?
You dumped it into the measuring cup and then...
And sift it.
Okay. No, it feels like a lot.
It's literally 4 cups. Boy. I was cooking before you were born.
I know.
This makes me feel old.
So, as you can see, it is very crumbly. The butter, it's evenly hydrated, and we're gonna hydrate a lot more with this egg mixture.
Nothing zest.
But I'm adding in 2 cups of blueberries. So what Cody's doing now is he's gonna zest 1 lemon into the wet mix. Get me this sheet tray right here. This big sheet tray on the bottom. All right, you're gonna add your wet ingredients into here. ASMR. Yes, it is off. Any color, that's fine. That one's fine. Thank you, Sean. Ever since I got into like pie making, I've been using scrapers more.
Hey, muchachos!
If I flatten this out, they're gonna be small.
That's what I'm saying. Just make them all. Screw it. Who cares?
So I have my mixture right here. It's all balled up. It's a wetter dough than you'll be used to working with. We're gonna do 1 cut down the middle, 1 cut down the side. And these will expand as they cook, so don't worry if they look a little small in the beginning. Is the sugar before or after?
It's before. Or after. Well, technically how you do it, especially when it comes to like fried foods, is like it technically is like right after it's done cooking, you sprinkle it with sugar. That's the time to do it. Because it'll stick better to it.
Yeah.
So we'll sprinkle it a little bit with sugar, just a little bit, and then we'll do, we'll make a glaze for it. And then we'll just glaze it. A light glaze over them. Not heavy, just a little bit. A little lemon glaze to it.
Once your scones are all divvied up, you're gonna put this in the oven for 22 to 24 minutes. But before you put them in, you're gonna brush them with a light coating of milk into a little bowl or whatever container you prefer. We're going in with my arch nemesis, whole milk, or milk in general, any dairy product. I like the way the brown sugar touches my hand. What? All right, guys. So the scones are in. Son is continuing his apple cake. I am gonna steal some apples from him because I always do that. He never uses them anyways. These are going in the oven. Please don't burn. Siri set a 15-minute timer. If you guys watch our apple cake video, you'll see that we've been doing this for a while. And you'll see our technique that we've been doing. And so now Sun is placing down our apples. Here you can hear the ASMR of Sun putting the apples down. Clock, clock. Do you guys hear that? We're going in with our third layer of batter. We can be friends. You want more juice into here? All right. Oh, I messed it up. You know what this reminds me of? Condensed milk. Uh-huh. Sudak. Do you guys know how to say condensed milk in Vietnamese? Sữa đặc. This is our completed apple cake. It's now gonna go in the oven for 45 to 60 minutes. All right? Our hack is we're gonna put it with a little pot of water inside. That way, the cake doesn't dry out. It's like 8:30. We made blueberry scones. We made an apple cake. It's gonna be great. We are 45 seconds away from taking these scones out of the oven. We're gonna finish off with our lemon glaze that we're gonna top the scones with. We're keeping some of them low in sugar so that we stay under the 9-gram limit. But we're gonna go in first with some powdered sugar. Ooh. Look how good they look. We're doing the zest of 1 lemon into our glaze. We're gonna put a little bit of vanilla and some lemon juice, and then we're gonna finish it off with some milk if we need it. All right, so our lemon is zested into our powdered sugar, and we're going in with the juice of 1 lemon. It goes the other way.
Yeah, I know, it doesn't fit. Look. I got crammed in there. There we go. Jeez, I'm down. I would say just do that, that
the
one.
seed went in.
So these are fine. Take that small one.
The good thing is,
Mm-hmm.
good.
That actually came out pretty good, Andrew.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna need milk.
You want 1 camera?
I think this whisk is gonna break.
Okay, I need some milk. Dude, my milk keeps coming undone.
There we go. It's flowing now.
Yeah.
This is our recipe for blueberry scones with a lemon glaze. The recipe is in the caption below. Thank you so much for joining us tonight on Inventory. We'll catch you in the next video. Yeah.